Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Stormy Lake here with Divine Energy, and I just want to share some tips and tricks for healing and mindfulness for those who need it most in your work atmosphere or personal life story. And as the end of the year approaches and the holidays are here, there's a lot of things that we're processing and digesting through, and sometimes we're aware of our stress levels and sometimes we're not. We're just in autopilot and survival mode. So today, just really quick, I want to give you guys a tip on the process of the human body when it comes to overanalytical thoughts and thinking. And sometimes we are constantly regurgitating and thinking thoughts in our head, and they continue to recycle in the body, and that will have an adverse side effect on the physical body. Some of the signs that you can look for in regards to what that looks like if your body's out of balance or you're overly stressed from a thought or work or life or friendship or relationship, it's typically having sharp pains in the stomach or stomach cramping, and sometimes if there's frustration with additional thought process and it's excessive, you can get sharp pains in the upper chest or below the breast, and that would be the liver alarm point. So today I want to talk about worry and give you a few tips and tricks that you can do to help yourself in your work atmosphere, in your personal story at home, or whatever it is that you're going through, so you can start to cultivate a healing application for yourself and get your body on track so you can be the best version of you. So first thing that you can do is, even if you're not aware of it, if you don't think you're a worrier, just do this with me and check it out. Sometimes our body has sensations and feelings that we're not aware of because we're so in the head, we're not connected to the body. So if we can take our fingers and gently at the bottom of the bridge of the nose, you're going to push into your cheekbones, right? And you're just going to feel that all the way up. Now, some areas aren't going to feel like anything, while others are going to be extremely tender, but you would not have known it unless you tap into that. So take a couple deep breaths and push in on your cheekbones and notice if there's any tenderness there. So in energy medicine, if you're tender, that's what we call toxic. And that means there's a block in your energy that's affecting your ability to digest and process stress, which is held in the stomach. And this is based on traditional Chinese medicine that works through the 5 endocrine systems. It's a real science. It's pretty amazing. It's non-invasive, and I encourage you to try it. So if you're there and there is some stress and you're not aware of it, but your cheekbones are tender, then I want you to, a gentle approach would be to take 1 or 2 fingers and you'll gently push into the area, not too hard, but enough to where you can start to feel the pulses, like a true pulse. You're going to feel that in your fingertips. And you're going to rest your weight into your elbows as I'm doing right now, and you're just going to take a deep breath and close your eyes. And you're going to hold the points and breathe in and breathe out. You can do this for 30, 60 seconds. You can do it up to 3 minutes, technically. For some of you, this is going to be a lot more powerful than others. So it just depends on where you're at right now. As you hold these points, you're going to start to feel that pulse point. They might be a little excessive at first, and then they may not match. So one pulse point on one side might be rapid and fast, while the other one is slow. You're going to hold them together until they're simultaneously the same pulse at the same time. And when they come into that space, as you're breathing and relaxing and holding, you're going to feel a shift in the whole body. It's going to sedate the stomach. It's going to relax the body's energy system, and it's going to move out that stress, that overanalytical thinking process, or that worry. And even if you're not aware of it, your body is still constantly processing stress, even though you may not recognize it because you're so digitally operating in this world. So holding those points gently would help. Another approach, because I'm more aggressive when it comes to getting the body on track, would be to tap into your cheekbones. So you would tap, but you got to breathe. Deep breath in, deep breath out. And as you're tapping, you're going to remove that stress, remove the thought. You're going to remove the imbalance in the belly. And it's going to help your body to feel stronger, to be better, to have more clarity, to have more focus, to be the best version of you. And you would do this 12 to 15 seconds with deep breathing. It's also going to give you energy to the eyes, to strengthen your eyes if you have to read or you're working at a computer, okay? It's going to wake you up. So it's like a cup of coffee, but you don't have to buy the coffee. It's free. So this is one of the healing techniques that you can do for the over-analytical thought process, for your constant regurgitation of worry and stress. And as you think of these things, even if you're not controlling it and your ego is trying to dominate you, where you can't grab a hold of that consistency of peace, this is going to help you find that peace that you need, while at the same time, it's going to give your body the strength that it needs to process through everyday stress. So this is your Hot Wednesday energy healing moment, and hope that you guys have a great day. Speak to you soon.